Hello guys, to this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in PS 2021. Okay, here this is my PS 2021. You can here add this. After this, click to option and high performance. After this, go to search bar and search game mode setting and click to on. Yes, and again search Xbox game bar mode and click to off. Go to download and open quick CPU. So open it, click to all these to 100 and click to apply and close it. After this, go to download quick speed fan, open it and click to automatic speed fan. After this, click to configure and select all these and click to OK and minimize. After this, go to download and PCI manager in Microsoft Store and click to boot. After this, proxy manager and all this for fix lag. Okay guys, I'm here to setting up PS 2021 and follow my step in game setting here. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget like and subscribe.